What's the common reason for needing to reset the LED light from Daybetter?
Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a common issue encountered by many users of Daybetter LED lights, the need for a reset. We'll discuss the primary reasons that might necessitate this action and provide a quick step-by-step guide on how to do it.
Why might you need to reset your Daybetter LED lights?
Generally, the need to reset LED lights arises when they stop responding to the remote or when their color and brightness settings aren't functioning properly. Miscommunication between the remote and the LED strip is typically the main culprit. This can happen due to several reasons, including signal interference, remote malfunction, or a power issue.
What happens when you reset your LED lights?
When you reset your Daybetter LED lights, you're essentially bringing them back to their original factory settings. This means any customization you've made to the color, brightness, or pattern settings will be lost. But don't worry. Once the LED lights are reset and functioning properly, you can easily reconfigure your preferred settings.
How do you reset Daybetter LED lights?
Resetting Daybetter LED lights is quite simple. 1. Unplug your LED strip light from the power source. 2. Wait around 10 seconds. 3. Plug the LED strip back into the power source. 4. Within 5 seconds, press the power button on the remote control a few times. Remember, the timing for these steps can be crucial for the reset to take effect, so be sure to follow them closely. And that's it, folks. Now you understand why you might need to reset your Daybetter LED lights and how to go about it. We hope this video has been helpful in resolving any issues you've been having with your LED lights. If you have any other questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.